Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reverse audio in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch Audacity on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to select the portion of audio you want to reverse. You have two options here depending on what you're trying to achieve. You can click and drag across a specific section to highlight just that part, or if you want to reverse the entire audio track, simply double-click anywhere on the waveform to select everything. Choose whichever option works best for your project. After you've made your selection, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Audacity window. You'll see several menu options there. Click on the one labeled Effect. This menu contains all of Audacity's audio manipulation tools and gives you access to a wide range of features for modifying your sound. Once the Effect menu opens, hover your mouse over the option that says Special. This will expand a submenu with additional specialized effects. From this submenu, click on Reverse. This is the specific tool that will flip your audio playback direction. As soon as you click Reverse, Audacity will process your selection and apply the effect. Your audio will now play backward, with the end playing first and the beginning playing last. This creates that distinctive reversed audio effect you often hear in music production, creative projects, or even when trying to uncover hidden messages in recordings. The entire waveform will be flipped, so everything you selected is now in reverse order. Now, to make sure the effect worked exactly as you wanted, head to the upper left corner of the Audacity window and click the play button. This will let you listen to your reversed audio and confirm that it sounds the way you intended. You can adjust the playback position if you only want to preview a specific section, and that's it, you've successfully reversed your audio in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.